We're at the Lantzville Lookout Peak, which is a beautiful hike, just up only about 4 kilometers to get up and down, and overlooks Nanoose Bay over there, out towards the Georgia Strait, the Winchelsea Islands, and so on. We're just above the small town of Lantzville. Anyways, I thought since we're up here, I would try out 3 of the GoPro lenses that I have, and you can compare to see which one you think is best for this situation. One was the Anamorphic Lens, which I just received, so just trying it out actually. The other is the ultra wide, and the last is the standard. I didn't change any of the settings, I just left it however GoPro felt was best with its default settings, but you can decide which one you think is best, and please leave your notes or thoughts in the comments below. Cheers, enjoy.